The future of internal combustion engines, a race against electrification. In a world where technology is advancing at a rapid pace, the automotive industry is facing a significant shift towards electrification. This change is driven by the need to reduce carbon emissions and comply with strict environmental regulations. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. Today's video will discuss the future of internal combustion engines. While this transition has caused concern among motor enthusiasts who value the experience and performance of internal combustion engines, not all hope is lost for traditional powertrains. The push for electrification, environmental goals, and industry trends. The European Parliament has declared its intention to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. Many automakers are rethinking their strategies, with some opting to manufacture 100% electric cars. Iconic brands like Lotus, Mini, and Audi have announced plans to stop producing combustion cars within a decade. Even automotive giants like BMW and Ferrari have declared that by 2030, at least 40% of their sales will be fully electric cars. Concerns and challenges. The shift towards electrification represents both a technological and cultural change in how we perceive and experience cars. Many enthusiasts fear losing the emotional and sensory connection with their vehicles, including the roar of engines and the thrill of driving. The industry faces the challenge of finding a balance between sustainability and preserving the essence of motoring. Plans to rescue the internal combustion engine. 3 Japanese manufacturers, Toyota, Subaru, and Mazda, have devised an ambitious plan to keep internal combustion engines relevant in a future dominated by environmental restrictions. Their strategy focuses on 2 main areas. 1. Developing a new generation of more efficient and sustainable combustion engines. 2. Promoting the use of alternative fuels that significantly reduce carbon emissions. Innovations in alternative fuels. Porsche has developed a synthetic fuel that combines CO2 from the atmosphere with hydrogen, achieving carbon neutrality. Toyota, Subaru, and Mazda are investing in research and testing with various types of alternative fuels. Circuit racing, such as the 24 Hours of Fuji, has served as a testing ground for these developments. Examples of alternative fuel innovations. Toyota, GR Corolla running on liquid hydrogen. Subaru and Toyota, BRZ and GR86 prototypes using synthetic fuels. Mazda 2 using biodiesel made from used cooking oil and microalgae fats, the next generation of combustion engines. Toyota and Subaru's approach, developing engines that use hybrid technology in reverse, with the electric motor as the primary component and the combustion engine as support. This approach allows for greater instant torque and reduces reliance on the combustion engine at high revs. Engines are designed to run on a variety of fuels, from conventional gasoline to alternative fuels. Mazda's rotary engine revival. Mazda is betting on the revival of its iconic rotary engine, adapting it to work with carbon-neutral fuels. The unique combustion characteristics of rotary engines make them particularly suitable for hard-to-burn alternative fuels. Mazda is developing versions that can run on various carbon-neutral fuels, offering flexibility for future fuel options. In conclusion, while the automotive industry is undoubtedly moving towards electrification, manufacturers like Toyota, Subaru, and Mazda are showing that internal combustion engines can still have a place in a sustainable future. Through the development of alternative fuels and new generations of more efficient engines, these companies are demonstrating that it's possible to meet strict environmental regulations without sacrificing the excitement and performance that many drivers value. The future of internal combustion engines may look different, but it's not necessarily the end of the road for this time-honored technology. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.